How to use AI in photography and image editing. Artificial intelligence, AI, has dramatically transformed the field of photography and image editing, making previously complex tasks accessible to all skill levels, enhancing creativity and saving time. From automating simple edits to generating entirely new visuals, AI empowers photographers and designers with tools that were unimaginable a few years ago. This article explores how AI can be utilized in photography and image editing, covering aspects from basic enhancements to advanced AI-driven capabilities. 1. AI-driven camera features. Modern cameras and smartphones are often equipped with AI-powered features to improve photography at the point of capture. Many smartphone manufacturers integrate AI directly into their camera software, where it helps with settings like exposure, focus, and white balance, adjusting these automatically based on the scene. Examples include scene recognition. AI can recognize objects, faces, landscapes, animals, and other elements within a frame. By understanding the scene, AI adjusts the camera settings to capture the best possible image. For instance, if you are taking a picture of a person, the AI will prioritize skin tones and facial clarity, while landscapes might receive adjustments for sharper colors and higher dynamic range. Night mode. AI-powered night modes on modern phones or cameras analyze the amount of light in a scene and make multiple exposure adjustments. They combine these in real time to create a well-lit image with reduced noise, something that was difficult to achieve on mobile devices without the aid of AI. Portrait mode and background blurring. AI allows cameras to separate the subject from the background, creating a bokeh effect, traditionally only achievable with large aperture lenses on DSLR cameras. AI in smartphones now enables users to achieve this effect with computational photography, mimicking the look of professional portraiture. 2. Automated image enhancements. AI has enabled automated, intelligent image enhancements in various editing software. Here are some popular features. One-click enhancements. Many photo editing apps, including those like Lightroom, Photoshop, and smartphone apps, offer one-click enhancements powered by AI. These can adjust lighting, contrast, sharpness, and saturation with a single click. AI analyzes the photo's elements and enhances them based on common best practices, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. AI-powered color correction. Traditional color correction requires an understanding of tones, hues, and levels. AI-powered tools can quickly adjust color temperature, shadows, highlights, and vibrancy based on the scene or subject to create a visually appealing image. Color grading, once complex, has become streamlined thanks to AI's understanding of color dynamics. AI-based sharpening and noise reduction. Low-light photos or images taken at high ISO often contain noise. AI-powered noise reduction tools are designed to identify noise patterns and reduce them without affecting the details of the image. AI-based sharpening tools also enhance image clarity by identifying edges and bringing out details without introducing artifacts. 3. Object and background removal. One of AI's most popular applications in photography is the ability to detect and remove objects or backgrounds with remarkable precision. Background removal. AI-driven tools can separate the subject from the background in seconds. Applications like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, and other online tools use AI to analyze the image and identify the subject, allowing users to replace or remove background seamlessly. Content-aware fill and object removal. In the past, removing unwanted objects required detailed manual work. Now, AI-enabled tools can analyze the surrounding areas and fill in the removed area to match the original scene, allowing photographers to remove distractions and achieve cleaner, professional-looking images quickly. 4. Facial recognition and retouching. AI has revolutionized portrait photography by enhancing facial recognition and retouching capabilities. Face recognition. AI can accurately identify facial features and make targeted adjustments, such as sharpening eyes, whitening teeth, and smoothing skin. Adobe Lightroom and Face App are examples of tools that use AI to recognize and enhance facial features. AI-based retouching tools. Professional retouching, once done manually, has been significantly simplified by AI tools. AI can automatically adjust skin tones, reduce blemishes, and create realistic, natural looks without overly airbrushed results. Tools like Portrait Pro and Skin AI offer various controls to refine the retouching while maintaining authenticity. 5. Creative effects and style transfer. AI isn't just used for traditional editing, it also brings creative options, allowing photographers to experiment with new artistic styles and effects. Style transfer. AI-powered style transfer lets users apply specific art styles, such as those of famous painters, or photographic looks to their images. Tools like Prisma and DeepArt use neural networks to apply these styles to photographs, creating stunning and unique results that resemble works of art. Depth mapping and 3D effects. AI can analyze the depth in an image, creating virtual 3D effects that can be used for perspective adjustments or immersive effects. This is popular in applications where users want to add more dynamic motion to still photos. Creative filters and looks. AI-based filters analyze an image and apply custom effects that complement its colors and lighting, taking filters to a new level by intelligently adapting to each photo. 6. Photo restoration and enhancement. AI can revive old or damaged photos, bringing new life to historic or personal family photographs. Colorizing black and white photos. AI colorization tools can add realistic colors to black and white photos. By analyzing the grayscale data, AI tools apply colors that match the tones and textures, creating natural, lifelike renditions of old images. MyHeritage, Adobe, and many other platforms now offer photo colorization. Repairing damage and enhancing details. AI-powered software can detect cracks, scratches, and fading in old photographs, repairing them with surprising accuracy. Some AI tools can even increase the resolution of low-quality images, adding missing details through machine learning models trained on high-resolution photos. 7. Automatic image tagging and organization for professional photographers and content creators. Managing thousands of images, organizing and tagging them can be overwhelming. AI simplifies this task by using machine learning to detect image content and apply tags. Auto-tagging and categorization. AI can analyze image content and add relevant tags automatically, categorizing images based on elements like location, people, objects, and even colors. Google Photos, Adobe Lightroom, and Apple Photos use AI to tag and organize images, making it easy to find images based on keywords. Facial recognition for albums. AI-driven facial recognition can automatically organize images based on people, a feature especially useful for photographers who work with repeat clients or have a portfolio with various people. This allows easy access to all photos containing specific individuals. 8. Resolution enhancement and upscaling. AI's capabilities in image upscaling and resolution enhancement have opened new doors for photographers and designers working with low-resolution images. Super resolution techniques. Tools like Adobe's Super Resolution and Topaz Labs Gigapixel AI use AI algorithms to increase the resolution of an image without significant loss of detail. These tools analyze patterns within the image and intelligently fill in additional pixel data, producing high-quality, large images from low-resolution sources. Image restoration and detail enhancement. Beyond upscaling, AI can restore lost detail in compressed or low-quality images. This is useful for restoring older photos or improving digital images for print quality. 9. Automated workflow enhancements. AI can streamline repetitive tasks in a photographer's workflow, saving hours on post-processing. Batch processing and presets. AI can apply adjustments to multiple photos in bulk, adjusting lighting, contrast, and other elements based on the photo's content. Batch processing in Lightroom, for example, uses AI to synchronize edits across an entire set of images, reducing manual labor for photographers. Automated culling. Many photographers take hundreds of images per session, and selecting the best shots can be time-consuming. AI-based tools like Aftershoot can automatically analyze sharpness, expressions, and other factors to help photographers quickly identify the best images from a set, allowing them to focus on editing only the best shots. 10. AI in video creation from photos. AI can even use photos to create dynamic videos, adding a new dimension to digital storytelling. Image animation. AI-driven tools such as MyHeritage's Deep Nostalgia can animate still photos, creating slight movements in eyes, smiles, and other facial expressions to give images a lifelike quality. Photo slideshows and video transitions. AI-powered software can analyze a set of photos and combine them into a coherent slideshow, applying music, effects, and transitions that fit the mood of the images. This makes creating professional-looking videos from still images easy, even for beginners.